If your manufacturing processes involve operations performed by human workers, you have to make sure they are feasible, safe, and suitable for your worker population. In this example, we'll see how Technomatics Process Simulate can help you optimize human assembly tasks before starting production. Let us watch this simple aircraft assembly process. Using Teamcenter Manufacturing, we configured a set of operations required to install the winglet. You can see the activity the operator has to perform to complete the operation. Now we'll use the bill of process defined in Teamcenter, open it in Technomatics Process Simulate, and perform human simulation and analysis. The simulation will help us check the feasibility of these assembly processes. First, we'll do a reachability analysis to check if workers can access the installation zone. Using reach envelopes, we can conclude that the task cannot be performed by 5th percentile female workers. Therefore, we have to provide workers with elevated platforms to do their job effectively. Next, we'll check for hand clearance. Engineers have increased the access hole in the wing frame so that workers have enough area to access the winglet bolts. Using the collision detection command, we can see that there is sufficient clearance to perform the task. We can also check if the bolts will be clearly visible to a worker and if it is in the line of sight. We can use the view cone command to check the visual angle and notice that a typical worker cannot see the bolts. To solve this, we can take steps to change the worker's position from where it is possible to see the bolts. Next, we'll analyze the worker postures for safety and check if they meet compliance. You can see as per OWASP standard, this posture will likely have a harmful effect on the musculoskeletal system. We also notice that according to RULA, this posture also puts the operator at risk for upper limb disorders. Due to the safety issues found in the OWASP and RULA tool, we'll use a kneeling posture to perform the assembly task and thereby meet the safety requirements. When we look at the operation needed for installing the wingtip, according to our low back tool, the compression forces on the operator are too high, exposing the operator to low back injuries. If we raise the part high, the compression forces on the lower back are in the acceptable range. All of the ergonomic studies and generated reports that we saw here can be attached, stored, and viewed in Teamcenter. Such an integrated approach to process planning and manufacturing simulation can greatly improve your production launch readiness.